This week in artificial intelligence. News, advances and business. A scientist created emotion recognition AI for animals. A researcher at Wageningen University and research recently published a preprint article detailing a system by which facial recognition AI could be used to identify and measure the emotional state of farm animals. AI analog chip startup Mythic raises $70 million. Mythic, a startup making artificial intelligence chips for use in gadgets such as smart home devices or security cameras, on Tuesday said it raised $70 million in its latest round of funding. Sonyx poised to advance AI speech recognition market with increased accuracy. Clement Simonik, the founder and CEO of Sonyx, who has built a promising new AI self-learning infrastructure and toolset to build advanced speech and audio understanding solutions to solve complex business problems. Chef Robotics raises $7.7 million to help automate kitchens. San Francisco-based Chef Robotics today announced that it has raised a combined $7.7 million pre-seed and seed round, with the goal of helping automate certain aspects of food preparation. Facebook's new technique helps AI systems forget irrelevant information. Facebook says it has developed an AI technique that enables machine learning models to only retain certain information while forgetting the rest. Google replaces BERT self-attention with Fourier transform, 92% accuracy, 7 times faster on GPUs. A research team from Google shows that replacing Transformer's self-attention sublayers with Fourier transform achieves 92% of BERT accuracy on the GLUE benchmark, with training times 7 times faster on GPUs and twice as fast on TPUs. Yelp built an AI system to identify spam and inappropriate photos. Yelp says its engineers built a custom, in-house system using machine learning algorithms to analyze hundreds of thousands of photo uploads per day, detecting inappropriate and spammy photos at scale. Concerns and hype. Tesla privately admits Elon Musk has been exaggerating about full self-driving. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been overstating the capabilities of the company's advanced driver assist system, the company's director of autopilot software told the California Department of Motor Vehicles. The Pentagon inches toward letting AI control weapons. Last August, several dozen military drones and tank-like robots took to the skies and roads 40 miles south of Seattle. Their mission: find terrorists suspected of hiding among several buildings. Black and queer AI groups say they'll spurn Google funding. 3 groups focused on increasing diversity in artificial intelligence say they will no longer take funding from Google. Can AI detect human feelings from a face? The market for the technology is growing rapidly despite questions from scientists about whether it works. Grand Theft Auto looks frighteningly photorealistic with this machine learning technique. As powerful as video game consoles have become, even the most graphically stunning video games don't look like realistic, real-world footage, which is arguably the ultimate goal. Cooperative AI. Machines must learn to find common ground. Artificial intelligence assistants and recommendation algorithms interact with billions of people every day, influencing lives in myriad ways, yet they still have little understanding of humans. That's all for this week. If you are not subscribed and liked this, feel free to subscribe and press the bell icon. Share with friends too.